Hey, this is Steve from XDR Off-Road Group. Today I'm happy to introduce our new XDR Magnum Grip gated shifter for the 2014 through 2018 Can-Am Maverick Max 1000R and the Can-Am Maverick 1000R Turbo. The shift handle is modeled after the B&M Magnum Grip design found in our iconic race shifters for a great ergonomic fit and feel and a nice and modern aggressive look. This new XDR gated shifter features CNC machine billet aluminum construction and a durable black MIL-Spec anodized finish. The handle includes diamond patterned black polycarbonate side plates for a sure grip even in wet and muddy conditions. The shift handle features a spring-loaded stainless steel trigger for positive locking and unlocking between gears, along with a stainless steel custom gate plate for precise engagement and longevity. Now we got one of these shifters installed in our Can-Am Maverick 1000R Turbo. We're ready to go ahead and hit the trail. I'm going to show you how this gated shifter operates. Alright, we're out here on the trail with the new XDR gated shifter. Now the nice feature with this shifter, it fully locks itself into every single gear. So whether you're in park or you put it in high, you can see it's fully locked. Now the nice benefit of this is when you're hitting those rough and rugged trails and your knee accidentally hits the shifter, it's not going to bump into a gear that you don't want it to go into. Now another cool feature with this awesome shifter is when you go back into park, you can go ahead and take a padlock and you can safely secure your vehicle. Now another cool thing with these shifters, they have an optional side grip plates that come in different colors and finishes to custom tailor your interior of your Can-Am Maverick, and also there's side grip plates that have a 1 or 2 button momentary 12-volt switch. Now I don't know about you, but I'm excited to go try out this new XDR gated shifter. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.